Add plugin button not showing in WordPress. Are you facing the same issue? Well, in this video, we will fix it. First, make sure that you are not using the free version of WordPress, which is wordpress.com, and it doesn't allow adding new plugins. Then, make sure that you have admin access. You can check it on WordPress dashboard by clicking on Users. Then, under Role tab, make sure your role is Administrator. You can change it by editing your profile. Then finally, you can fix this error by editing your wp-config file. You can access this file by logging in to your hosting account, or you can add File Manager plugin and edit it directly in the WordPress dashboard. In our case, we will log in to our hosting account. After logging in, go to the File Manager, then click on it. Now click on Public HTML folder. Now you need to look for wp-config file. Now we are in the right destination. We are now editing our wp-config file. Here you can click Ctrl F and search for the following snippet. I will place this snippet in the video's description. Now, here you need to make sure that this option is false. Now, click Save. Now, let's refresh our plugin page. So, here we go. Our Add Plugin button is back and visible. So, this is how you can fix Add Plugin button not showing error in WordPress. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more.